Hey everyone, it's Chris, back at it again with another pest control tip of the week to protect yourself, your home, and your family. Although the pronunciation of their names sounds similar, there is a big difference between moles and voles. Moles, they have tiny eyes and ears that are covered by their fur, and have a pointed snout and large feet with sharp claws for digging. Mole tunnels are deep, at least 10 inches underground. When you see a series of 3 to 5 inch raised ridges breaking the surface of your lawn that is accompanied by a tiny dirt volcano, you have moles. Now voles are rodents that are active day and night year-round, and their diet consists of plants, especially grasses and seeds. You'll know voles by the shallow, snake-like tunnels that are about 2 inches wide and near the surface. Now that you know the difference between the two, here's a few tips to avoid an infestation. Keep your lawn mowed, bushes trimmed, and rake all fallen leaves. This will eliminate all potential hiding spots. Remove all wood piles near your garden, shrubs, and trees, and place them on a cement platform at least 20 inches above the ground. Bird feeders are another attraction for voles, and should either be removed or the ground kept very clean. If you follow these tips and still have an issue with moles and voles tearing up your lawn, we're a phone call away. That's it for this edition of Cowleys Pest Tip of the Week. As always, stay safe and be well.